Actually, there are a great many screen mirroring tools out there. This easy tutorial will expatiate on how to mirror iPhone to Windows 10 with amazing programs. Now, let's get straight to it. Way 1. How to mirror iPhone or iPad to Windows 10 via screen mirror. Characterized by stable connection, easy operation, and fluent mirroring, screen mirror facilitates you to get a great visual experience on a comfortable screen. How to cast iPhone screen to laptop or desktop on Windows 10 via screen mirror. Step 1. Run screen mirror. Step 2. Allow the tool to access the network. Step 3. Start screen projecting. Step 4. Mirror iPhone to Windows 10. Way 2. How to mirror iPhone to Windows 10 free by Bluetooth. Go to Settings from the iPhone's home screen. Turn on Personal Hotspot to begin the Bluetooth connection. Enable Bluetooth on iPhone and Windows 10 PC. Pair devices by selecting Add Bluetooth or other devices on PC. Connect PC to iPhone network and enable Bluetooth mirroring. Way 3. How to screen mirror iPhone or iPad to Windows 10 via Let's View. Install Let's View on iPhone and Windows 10. Ensure same network. On Windows, get QR code or PIN. Enter or scan on iPhone. Enable screen mirroring in Control Center. iPhone screen mirrors to computer. Way 4. How to cast iPhone to Windows 10 PC with Reflector. Download and install Reflector on Windows 10. Connect iPhone and PC to the same Wi-Fi. Swipe up on iPhone. Access Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring. Select PC. Input code. Device mirrors to PC instantly. Way 5. How to stream from iPhone or iPad to Windows 10 via app or mirror. Install the app on iPhone and Windows 10. Connect to the same Wi-Fi. Tap Mirror on iPhone. Select PC in Control Center, Screen Mirroring. Scan QR code or input PIN to connect. iPhone screen appears on Windows 10.